Hi friends, and welcome to Roma's Creation. This is Roma here. Today again I'm going to tell you the benefits of Multani Mitti, that is also called Fuller's Earth. So at one glance we will see that how can Multani Mitti help in increasing your beauty, your skin as well as your hair. First of all, Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti, provides a soothing effect. It's an antiseptic. It relieves effects of heat. It also improves your complexion because it increases blood circulation. It is a very good cleanser for the skin. It is not very expensive, which is very important, and it is very easily available. And it has been known for not having any side effects because it has a very cooling effect on your face and your hair. Now, to tell you more about this thing, I'll tell you that it also helps in removing dead cells, giving the skin a very healthy glow and improves the texture of complexion. It helps get rid of acne and blemishes along with hydrating the skin and clearing blackheads which you have on your skin, and it also clears whiteheads. It helps with dry and flaky skin as soon as treated a dark and patchy skin. It can reduce visible scars also. As it has a very soothing effect, it helps calm the skin after long exposure to the sun and heat. Now, up till now I've told you the benefits of Multani Mitti. Now I'll tell you how to use this. This can be applied to the face for desired results. First of all, for making packs and masks, I will tell you we'll start with the skin. For dry and patchy skin, mix together 1 teaspoon each of Multani Mitti and plain yogurt. Let it soak for half an hour. Then add to it teaspoon of mint powder. Apply this paste to your face for at least 20 minutes and wash away the water. Now for glowing skin, you will need a tablespoon each of honey, piece of papaya, ripe papaya, and 2 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth, and that is Multani Mitti. Use it on your face and leave it for about say 5 minutes and then wash away. Take 2 spoons of Multani Mitti, a 1 teaspoon paste of neem leaves, then 4 to 5 powdered cloves, and a pinch of camphor and some rose water. Make a paste out of the above components and add to the face. Apply it on your face. Mix Fuller's Earth with grinded almonds and glycerin soap. Use this mixture to scrub your face with it, and then you can see the difference. 1 tablespoon each of Multani Mitti and plain yogurt. Add to it 1 beaten egg. Apply to your face and wash it dry after 20 minutes. This will also help you to decrease wrinkles on your face, because when Multani Mitti dries, it creates a kind of it becomes a little hard and stretchy effect on your face, so it gives a good facelift also. It should be seen that before using any of these beauty masks, for the first time you should test it as a patch on your skin. Tip to be kept in mind is not to smile or talk much when the mask is applied to the face, because it can cause wrinkles of the face. So while you apply the thing, Fuller's Earth, the mask on your face, just try to be, keep your face as still as it can be. Because it will definitely remove your wrinkles, but making a lot of facial expressions can also spoil the benefits of the Multani Mitti. So if you really like it, and if you feel that my advice has benefited you in any way, so do subscribe my channel and leave your comments in my comment section box. And stay fit and healthy. I'll come back again with more recipes on Multani Mitti, means Fuller's Earth for hair. Thank you. Bye bye.